Okay, as you can see, not the cap, but the box. This is what I just made. Alright, you ordered the acrylic sheets online, 12 by 12. Pretty much made a box. And I just got hinges today and I put the lid on. I drilled a hole through the top and a hole in the back for the wires. And I got my M3D in there. And printing something, I realized how quiet it is. It's nice and quiet compared to before. Listen. Big difference. Sounds so much better with the lid closed. And those are the things I made so far. And there's my filament.